We're introducing the 4LIIW, a super low profile and wash-on floor scale, which has a lift-up feature and is waterproof for easy cleaning of any spills. "4LIIW is made of stainless steel, which is resistant to corrosion and can be easily cleaned with water. By lifting up the platform, the backside of the scale can be cleaned, an area that is not easily cleaned during regular maintenance. 4LIIW will be the best option if the scale is utilized in food processing environments. Not only can the platform be lifted, but the lifting of the slow part is possible, making it easy to clean intricate areas. Thanks to the slim design of 4LIIW, the slope becomes channeled, making it easier to load carts and heavy items. With the low height from the ground to the loading surface and a short slope, the installation space can be minimized. Equipped with a stainless steel damper, it offers support during elevation, allowing anyone to easily lift it. For added safety during cleaning, it is equipped with the stopper function to prevent sudden descent. "4LIIW can be used with your preferred indicator. And also, we will manufacture according to your specific requirements beyond standard specifications. Please ensure that the scale is installed on a flat surface. The position of the bubble in the spirit level allows for determining whether it is level. For your safety, please be sure to have at least 2 people present when lifting the scale. When using the platform by raising it, please make sure to secure it with a stopper. It's not just then, it meets your weighing needs. That's the 4LIIW for you.